In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable comments on your blog posts. Being able to manage and encourage interaction on your blog is crucial for building a community and engaging with your audience. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to make this happen. First, you'll want to navigate to your site's dashboard. This is the control center of your blog where you can manage all of your settings and contents. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Blog, which is typically found on the main menu. The blog section houses all your posts, drafts, and any blogging tools you might need. Once you're in the blog section, the next step is to focus on the Posts tab. This tab lists all the posts you've published, as well as any drafts you're working on. Scroll through your posts to find the one you want to add comments to. When you've located the specific post, look for the option to edit it. Usually, there's an Edit button right next to each post title. With the post open for editing, turn your attention to the Settings panel on the left side of the screen. This panel might look slightly different depending on your platform, but you're specifically looking for an option labeled Display. Clicking on this will reveal various settings related to how your post is presented to your audience. Within the display settings, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Allow commenting on this post. This is the crucial step where you enable comments. By turning this on, you permit readers to leave comments, ask questions, and engage with your content. If your intention is to create a forum where both members and non-members can join the conversation, you'll also need to enable guest comments. This is another toggle option usually located just beneath the commenting toggle. Enabling guest comments lets people who aren't registered on your site also share their thoughts and contribute to the discussion. Once you've adjusted these settings to your liking, it's time to save your changes. Don't forget this important step. Click Publish to make sure your changes are applied. This will update the post, storing all the settings you've just selected, and your audience will now be able to interact with your post through comments. And that's it. You've successfully set up your blog post to receive comments, opening up a new level of interaction with your readers. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, inspire discussion, or simply connect with your audience, enabling comments is a step in the right direction. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing you build an engaging community on your blog. Thanks for tuning in.